Hi, welcome to another video. Today's discussion about stock market in US and the stock market website name is sfchronicle.com. Here you can search sfchronicle.com, then find the website, and the website name is San Francisco Chronicle. Full SF meaning is San Francisco. CHP Robert's death of passenger who fell from car on Orinda. Top of the news. SFO activity resumes after bomb threat, forced evacuations, suspect arrested, twin brothers arrested in connection with downtown Petaluma homicide. Mountain View police officer shot, search for suspect ongoing. Here, what can say SF learn from other world class cities? Residents share ideas from travel. Heather Knight, clean streets, less homelessness, more bike lanes, and for better public transit. Chronicle readers share what they saw on recent trips abroad and how it compared to San Francisco. Data on racial profiling in California shows the problem is only getting worse. Data shows that California's efforts to combat racial profiling by police officers have done little to root out racial disparities in traffic and pedestrian stops. What would happen to Bay Area home prices if a recession hits? A recession fears it up, so do questions about what could happen to Bay Area home prices. Here's a look at the history and what experts say could happen this time. How to contact lawmakers about reproductive rights. Here's what California lawmakers said about the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe versus Wade and how to contact them about what should happen next. Cruise news, driverless robotaxis weren't road ready, Brightic alleged. Cruise, the company testing driverless taxi rides at night on San Francisco streets, was aware that its vehicles were often stalling, and an anonymous employee told the California Public Utilities. Bill to create emergency notification system for missing indigenous people. A bill working its way through the legislature would introduce a new emergency notification system for missing native persons using existing Amber Alert infrastructure. So there is a safe, brighter tone experience gives us the Fantasyland we deserve. Lily Janiak says the audience is one of the best parts of the Queen's Ball. The brighter tone inspired immersive experience and at San Francisco SPM West. A guide to a hot summer in Bay Area, arts and entertainment. This is the time for outdoor concerts, for immersive street festivals, for light and behavior. We can get serious again after Labor Day. Losing the best baby. Doctors and hospital leaders at John Muir Medical Center had assured a couple they could perform a specialized surgery on their 2-year-old daughter. She died on the operating table. The hospital was previously warned that it could not handle her case. Okay, so this is enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon also. Bye bye.